Sony is taking advantage of CES to unveil 3 new smartphones being released in 2018. These devices will all be a part of Sony's popular Xperia line. Xperia has proven to be a tough-to-beat brand in the mid-range area of the market, and it definitely provides an alternative to the major smartphone vendors, like Samsung. Based on our first look, Sony is delivering some respectable upgrades to its devices, and consumers will have 3 different Xperia options. Overall, Sony is still focused on delivering that premium entertainment experience on the mobile form factor with a gorgeous display. It's also making sure your selfie game is up to par with some camera upgrades. Sony says it wants to make smartphones less personal and more social.
So this year's lineup is we're focusing heavily on really experiencing moments together. Nowadays people are on social network, people are on their phone constantly, and what we want to find is ways to allow you to actually use your phone but still be able to experience moments with everybody and also share your stories and share your interaction with other people as well.
First, let's look at the Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. Here we have a 6-inch display. It runs from edge to edge across the width of the device. The top and bottom bezels are still there, but they're trimmed down compared to last year. And the screen supports a 1080p HD resolution. For this larger display, Sony has a clever solution to allow users to operate the device with just one hand. It can shrink down into the corner, so you can reach all of those icons with your thumb. The XA2 Ultra offers the best camera package of these 3 devices. There are dual front cameras, including a 16 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization. The second camera is an 8 megapixel camera with a 120 degree wide angle lens. And there's a flash on the front of the device. We get a faster processor this year with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 630. The battery is also bigger, a 32% increase compared to 2017. The XA2 is a very similar device in a smaller package. This is a 5.2-inch screen, and there's only one camera on the front, with an 8 megapixel lens. Both devices will ship running Android 8.0 Oreo. Sony says to expect the devices to ship in February. Pricing details aren't yet released. We're also getting the Xperia L2 sometime this year. This is the least expensive phone of the 3, designed to be a more affordable device. It has a 5.5-inch display, and it also stretches from edge to edge. And it has the same new always-on fingerprint sensor that Sony put on the Xperia XA devices as well. This device ships with Android 7.1.1 Nougat. That's a wrap for an early look at these Sony devices from CES in Las Vegas. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and later this year we'll have a more in-depth review for the Xperia line. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson.